This video shows how to install the IBM WebSphere Liberty Core version 8.5.5 on the server for the IBM Mobile First platform server by using IBM Installation Manager. Click File, Preferences. The repository screen opens. Click Add Repository. Browse to the location of the Liberty Core repository and click Open. Click OK and then click OK again. The Installation Manager screen opens. Click Install. The Install Packages screen opens. Ensure that IBM WebSphere Application Server Liberty Core and version 8.5.5 are selected and click Next. The Licenses screen opens. Select I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. The Create a New Package Group screen opens. Note the location of the installation directory and click Next. Click Install. Exit Installation Manager. To create a server for Liberty Core, open a DOS command prompt as administrator. Navigate to the Liberty bin folder. In this example, I create a server called Simple Server by using the following command: server create simple server. Start the server and verify that Liberty Core is running. To do this, from the DOS command prompt, run the following command: server start simple server. The server starts. To verify that the server is running, open your browser and navigate to the following URL: localhost 9080. A welcome message is displayed. Lastly, to stop Liberty Core, from the DOS command prompt, run the following command: server stop simple server. You have installed Liberty Core and created a working server.